All right, Electroculture strawberry update. We're gonna pick a couple strawberries today. There's a few more that are ripe and or close to, so I'm gonna pick them and let them ripen up inside because little animals like to come in here and eat some of my strawberry. So there's a little tiny guy there, and I think I'm gonna grab him. I'm gonna pick him. Ooh, okay. Let's see, I don't think is ready. But I will pick this weird guy down here because something got at it. And I want to clean that and, ooh, yeah, that came right out. So that was fucking ready. It's weird, hey? Look at that. Oh, and by the way, the plant is doing great. It's got a bunch of little strawberries coming up. They're coming out. And I just got to wait for them to be ripe. But look at this one. Look at that little guy. He's pretty perfect. He or she, who knows. That's oh, there we go. Let's focus in. That's gonna be delicious. All right. And I don't know if there's any more. I think there might just be 3. Oh, hold on. There's one more. Here we go. One more. Oh, that's a cute little one too. Look at that. Now next year I hope to have a giant bush on my fence on the other side over there. I like planted strawberries all along there. So hopefully we get a ton of strawberries next year and we'll save them all, freeze them, and I'll make some jam. But yeah, the plant's doing great. It's yielding strawberries. I'm going to try these later and let you know what they taste like.